Have you ever gazed at a challenge, its allure tugging at your curiosity? The kind of challenge that beckons you to test your limits and uncover the depths of your potential? In the realm of fitness, such challenges often take center stage, offering the promise of transformation and triumph. And today, my friends, we're stepping into the world of one such challenge, a challenge that revolves around the venerable pull-up, the iconic pull-up, a test of might and will. Ah, the pull-up, a true embodiment of power and perseverance. The mere thought of it evokes images of sculpted backs and impressive strength. But what if I told you that the journey to mastering the pull-up extends far beyond brute force? Today we delve into the narrative of pull-ups, exploring their nuances, benefits, and the mystique surrounding the oft-asked question, what happens to your body if you do pull-ups every day? Unveiling the complex muscular ensemble. Imagine your muscles as instruments in an orchestra, each playing a distinct role to create harmonious movement. When you embark on a pull-up, this symphony of muscles is thrust into action. From the mighty latissimus dorsi to the steadfast trapezius, witness the dance of fibers and fibers working in concert. But remember, this isn't just about showcasing strength. It's about understanding the intricacies of movement beyond brawn. The benevolent magic of pull-ups. Beyond the facade of sculpted muscles lies a realm of benefits that pull-ups bestow. Strength is just the tip of the iceberg. The pull-up's enchanting touch extends to improving grip strength, an asset in various sports like rock climbing. It's a gateway to a stronger upper body, a healthier cardiovascular system, and even better posture. As we uncover these benefits, we unravel the tapestry of health woven by pull-ups. Crafting your pull-up odyssey, let's embark on a journey that requires not just physical prowess, but also strategic planning. The frequency of pull-up sessions plays a pivotal role in your growth. Delve into the art of designing your pull-up calendar, balancing the intensity of your workouts with the crucial space for recovery. Remember, this journey isn't just about reaching a destination, it's about evolving along the way. The delicate dance of recovery. Just as a dancer needs moments of respite between performances, our muscles crave periods of recovery. The intricate dance of growth requires harmony between exertion and rest. We delve deep into the science of muscle recovery, deciphering the secret rhythm that unlocks progress while guarding against overtraining's pitfalls. The progress paradox. As the echoes of success reverberate through your pull-up journey, a paradox emerges. How much is too much? The path to mastery isn't linear. It's a delicate balance between pushing limits and listening to your body. We'll navigate this paradox, unveiling the signs of overtraining and sharing strategies to prevent burnout. The mind-muscle nexus. Beyond the sets and reps, there's a dynamic synergy between your mind and muscles. The pull-up journey isn't just about physical transformation, it's an odyssey of mental fortitude. Discover how each pull-up embodies resilience, discipline, and the art of conquering self-doubt. As you climb higher, you're not just building muscle, you're building character, embracing the community of pull-up enthusiasts. Within the realm of pull-ups lies a vibrant community united by a common passion. By hitting that subscribe button, you become part of a tribe dedicated to growth, support, and shared achievements. Together, we celebrate milestones, share insights, and inspire each other to reach greater heights. Igniting the torch of progress. As the chapters of this narrative unfold, the essence of the pull-up journey becomes clear. It's not just a challenge, it's a transformative experience. Every repetition, every set, every ounce of effort, each one is a testament to your dedication. So as we draw the curtain on this exploration, remember that every pull-up is a step towards self-discovery, strength, and resilience. The journey continues. The pull-up saga isn't confined to this video, it's a continuum. With that said, thank you for being a part of this captivating exploration. Until next time, keep embracing the pull-up challenge, and may your days be fueled by determination, growth, and the pursuit of excellence. Keep soaring, keep striving, and keep pulling, because the best is yet to come.